Well, we are going nuts here in the Chef Anthony Test Kitchen this morning. Yes, we're making candied nuts. I love it.
So this is perfect for that office party that you don't know what to fix for them, but you want to do something different than everybody else. These are perfect. Egg white, teaspoon of water, sugar, cinnamon, into the oven. Doesn't take any time. Real simple to do. You can take these and you can modify from cinnamon to just about anything that you want to do.
Well, and you said 15 to 30 minutes, particularly how long did you go with these in our oven?
These
At 250.
these came out of the oven a couple minutes ago because I want them to cool down a little bit so you could try them.
Okay.
You want to make sure that they cool just a little bit so that it is molten sugar, so you really don't want to throw that in your mouth.
Yeah.
But these are great. And I've done some really hot ones, and I've turned some of my students loose. One of my students, Blake, made some that were very, very flavorful, but very hot.
Okay.
Very intensely hot, which is right up his alley.
So to make them hot, you would add to the dry ingredients at the beginning.
Yes, dry to your dry ingredients, but you're gonna need something to stabilize them. So I always tell everybody, try to use just a little bit of ginger. It's a trick that I was told and it works. It'll help amplify the heat, it'll help it stick, and you'll get a great deal with this. Now, a lot of people I hear tell me, well, I don't like the candied nuts I get in the mall. This is not the same thing. This is not molten sugar and then we're coating the nuts in molten sugar and then letting them air dry. We are taking a raw nut, coating them, and then putting them into the oven and roasting the nut and the sugar at the same time.
Okay.
So it's a little bit crisper, it's a little bit different, the texture's a little bit different, but they're a lot more fun to do. So we're going to take this one. This pan may be still just a little warm. And since you used your parchment paper, this is real easy.
Easy cleanup.
Pull your parchment paper up, pour it into your bowl, and you're going to get a little bit of stick, just like that, because it's sugar. And
I'm thinking these would be really good if you're looking for like little gift bag items to give to people too. You could get pretty bags, bag up some candied nuts in each one.
Exactly. And we've done these as gifts that we've given away for years past, and everybody loves these. And then once you get them in, just break them up a little bit, so that you don't want the big old chunks. Just move them around, break them up just a little bit, and they're good to go. Now these are nice and warm. I think that's the best time to enjoy them, but anytime I take these anywhere, they're always a big hit.
Okay, are they too hot to eat?
No, go right ahead.
Okay. They're very warm, straight out of the oven warm.
Not too hard, not over crunch, but it's there. And
yeah, they have a softness to them, but still crispy.
Yep. So we're taking the raw nut. We're not taking a roasted nut and then forcing sugar onto it and then letting it dry and getting hard. That's a hard candy shell. We just wanted a sweet candied nut. Eat all you like. These are wonderful. And I have fun playing with these. I do several different variations of spicy ones that bounce up and down across the spectrum. I've used some of my favorite chicken seasonings and done these. The smoked onion and garlic or jalapeno worked really good with these. Habanero works really good with these. You can do just about anything that your little heart can imagine with them. And these are super enough to where the kids can do them.
Cool. When we come back, I want to talk to you about some of the funnest class projects that you guys have done this semester and plans for the future as well.
All right.
All right. Until then, these are mine. I guess I'll share.
She's a little nutty.
Just a little. We'll be right back.